Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to create a learning management system website or online course selling website for you or for your client. So if you are looking easy video guideline to create a website without any coding skill, then you can continue this video. Here you can learn everything from scratch and very easy way. So let's get started. Here is my website where I have fresh installed WordPress and my website name Faisal IT Academy, and this is my real life project website where I want to sell my courses and provide information about my upcoming training and always keep up to date my all student. Here is the backend of this website or dashboard. For this project or for this website, I have selected two demo. First of one, this one looks very carefully. This looks very good, clean and professional and very simple. And this is for personal course selling or training provide. Okay, then I have selected this one. This one also another clean and professional website for learning or sales course. Looks very good. Okay, so I'm not going to copy, I just follow both of this website as a demo so that I can make my website very fast and I can show you everything very quickly. So for this project I will use a theme from WordPress directory. This is free theme. Here is the theme that I'm going to use, phrase builder framework, and I need three plugins. First, Elementor website builder. Second, Element Kit, Elementor add-ons for header and footer. And third, LMS by Masterio for learning management. Okay, here are all the required themes and plugins. Now I'm going to install everything one by one. So go to my dashboard, click on the themes under appearance. First I install the theme, this one, copy, add new theme, search this theme here the theme and click on the install, active. Okay, we have activated this theme. Now I'm going to refresh my home page so that I can see the update. You can see that my theme has been updated. Now I'm going to install the required plugins. So first install Elementor website builder plugins, copy, go to dashboard and click on the add new under plugins menu, search this plugins, here the Elementor phrase builder. So I'm going to click on the install these plugins and we can see that there are also Elements Kit Elementor add-ons that we also need to install. So I'm going to install this one also, this plugin, install it. Now going to add this plugin, copy, search this plugin, click on the install now. Okay, we have installed all the required plugins and theme. Now I'm going to active these themes. Now I'm going to active all the plugins. So select this one, this one, this one, select activate, click on the apply. Okay, my all plugins activate and I'm ready to start building design. So I no need to keep open this tab, so I'm going to close all this tab and I just need to keep this to demo. Okay, so first I'm going to start building header, then I'll start building the footer. Okay,